turn base now, number 1.
Yankee Kilo full start, turn base now.
Yankee Alpha Papa, number 2, flying Cessna, turning opposite base at your 10 o'clock for 2 miles.
Listen to traffic, Yankee Alpha Papa.
Charlie Bravo November, extend downwind, I'll call your base.
On my base, I'll run with this.
Yankee Alpha Papa, turn base now, traffic you're following is opposite base, turning 2 miles final.
Turn base, Yankee Alpha Papa.
India Zulu India, turn right crosswind as soon as safely able.
Yankee Zulu India.
Alright, for 1 tower traffic heads in the right hand circuit, contact Toronto 128.27 in the turn, winds 26 at 6, clear for takeoff runway 26.
Takeoff runway 26 and Toronto Center in turn, sorry.
Traffic in sight, Yankee Alpha Papa.
Yankee Alpha Papa, roger, number 2. Charlie Bravo November, number 3, following Cessna, opposite base, intercepting 2.5 miles final.
First time, let's go.
Oscar Kilo Uniform Waterloo Tower, negative standby, landing traffic.